Hi everyone, so in my last video, that is the review of this Wishcare tinted sunscreen, I got a lot of requests from many of you to do a comparison between these two. That is the original, like the Dot & Key tinted sunscreen and with this newly launched Wishcare one. So I thought of doing it today. So at the right side of my face, I'm going to use the Wishcare one, and on the left side, I'm going to use the Dot & Key one. Okay. So here is my Wishcare one. As you can see, this is M210, which is a tad bit light for me but works fine because it's not a foundation or substitute of a skin tint. So I use it as a sunscreen, so I blend it really well. So that's how it works for me, and after some time it also settles down beautifully as I had shown in the last video. So let's wear this on my right side. Okay, see the fluidity. In case you are thinking that why I'm not following the two-finger rule, that is the convention, it's because these are all tinted sunscreen, so I always prefer applying a thin layer of other sunscreen as a base protection, and because it depends on the tint, so we cannot overboard our face with that, so that's why I always double layer it.
Doesn't have anything. This is having Wishcare one. Let's move on with this Dot & Key one, which is a tad bit more favorite to me. Let's see. I think I've taken a bit too much for one side, so no problem, I'm going to use it on my neck. This one, that is the Dot & Key one, actually feels more lightweight than that of the Wishcare one, I would say. But astoundingly, both the shades are the same, exact same. Okay. Oh, by the way, I am in the shade Sand, 03 Sand, and this is much more dewier than that of this one. Okay, that is the Wishcare one. Wishcare one is more of a skin tint than that of sunscreen, I would say. So Dot & Key one is much lightweight and more appropriate for summer in my opinion, but both of them, as you can see, everything is looking so seamless and as if the same product has been used all across my face, but that's not the case. How I have chosen the same, almost same shade for me is still a mystery. I always choose medium skin tones really well, I feel. It may look a little brighter initially, but with time this settles, so it's always works for me like this. But if I say this is a little more tackier than that of this one, this is completely not matte but still giving a bit of glow coming from within, I would say. One thing I want to tell everyone, that do not think these are substitutes for makeup. Yes, definitely, because on day-to-day basis we don't feel like using any concealer or heavy foundation sort of things on our face because it's already summer here, at least in India, so we can't use those things, concealer and stuff, so that's why we can use it. But these are meant for your skincare, and let's not forget that.
Next, I'm going to review the K Beauty tinted sunscreen, so please stay tuned on my channel.